tips and ideas for the new year. Have you already forgotten your New Year's resolutions? Instead of demanding more from yourself, you can relax into glorious imperfection. In the end, you probably end up getting further than if you drive yourself to excellence. The key to setting good goals is making them aspirational and yet attainable at the same time. Something you want to work toward and you can honestly see yourself achieving. We often would like to change our lifestyle and habits to the better. Take a day when you just relax, take care of yourself, and think about how you wish your life would look like. It might get easier if you start by cleaning your house or apartment. Get rid of everything you don't need or want. Organize, make a fresh start. Then it's easier to think about your goals. One more thing you can do is to use up your Christmas dinner leftovers or food from New Year, if frozen, and make sandwiches, pizzas or a stew. Be creative, don't throw anything away if it isn't necessary. Then it's easier to make a fresh start. Then you're ready to write down goals and plans. What can you start doing today? Good advice can be to do a brain dump, like this, just to get rid of all the thoughts and mess in your head. Other things you can think about is, which areas in your life do you like to improve? What are your favorite things or hobbies? Are they organized the way you want? What is unnecessary or unhealthy? Do you have a dream? Or something you always wanted to do? If you would travel to another part of the world in 2 weeks, what would you do now, today? Everything feels urgent, doesn't it? But I think you would figure out what is the most important things to do. If not you, who? If not today, when? Good luck and write in the comments about your plans.